What is up, you guys? Yes here. Welcome back to my channel. So the day of today, I have a really exciting video for you guys. I mentioned on Instagram that I was going to do this video, how to apply lashes for beginners, and so many of you guys were so excited because obviously not everybody is that excited about putting on eyelashes, including myself. You guys already know, if you follow my channel, that that's my least favorite part of doing my makeup. And if you guys have noticed, lately I've been going very like no lash with my makeup, just because, like I said, it's kind of like a hassle. Just it's like a whole thing. But today I have a game changer for you guys. You guys are literally gonna be shook. When I tried it, I was like, wait, no. And then it actually like really worked, and I'm kind of like, okay, this literally changes the game. But if you guys are ready to learn how to get your eyelashes on super easy with literally just 2 steps, then keep on watching. And thank you so much to Kiss for partnering up with me on this video to teach you guys how to get those eyelashes nice and poppin'. Yes, I did scratch my nose right now. I was hoping you guys wouldn't notice. But without further ado, if you guys are ready to get into the tutorial, then let's get into it. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos and you get notified every single time that I post. Okay, now let's really get into it. Alright, so I feel like this is gonna be like the fastest, easiest video I've ever done, just because it's literally just 2 steps. So first you're gonna take your magnetic eyeliner, which is this one right here, and you're just gonna go ahead and shake it up because we wanna make sure that everything is like proportioned evenly in here. And then you're gonna go ahead and get started. So I personally like to start in the middle and then work my way into the eye. Perfect. And now we're gonna do the left eye, and we're pretty much just gonna do the same thing. Start in the center, work our way in. I always have a harder time doing my left eye because my right eye is like low-key blind. So I really have to do it slowly and patiently. And now you pick your lash, your favorite style that you want. They have these different styles, as you guys can see. This one right here is called Temp, and it's kind of like a fluttery, nice one. And then we have the one Charm. This seems to be their most natural one, but it's still pretty wispy. And then we have this one right here, which is Tantalize, which is not as wispy, but also pretty natural. And then obviously Crowd Pleaser, which is this one right here, and it is their most dramatic one. You literally just pop it on and you're done. Alright, so now we're gonna do the other one. So from beginning to end, there's 5 magnets, so that way they just bloop. And if you want to get it as close as you can to your lash line, you can just go in here and kind of do one of these. That's literally it. You put your eyeliner on and then you boop, pop them on. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with these right here, which are Tantalize. Like I said, they do have several different kinds of lashes. They have their more like natural ones, wispy ones, and then they have more dramatic ones. And then to take them off, you literally just bloop. Voila. Alright, so I popped back on my Tempt lashes because these are my favorite. They're wispy, they're not too much, they're not too little. These are my favorites, but like I said, they do have different styles. These are going to be available November 1st at CVS, Walgreens, and KissUSA.com. The eyeliner is going to be $9.99, the eyelashes $7.99, and then the whole kit $16.99. And the cool thing about it is that you're not going to have to keep like rebuying them because since they are reusable, okay, bougie on a budget, you could just literally buy a pair of lashes and then use them as many times as you want. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope that you guys found it helpful, and I hope that this like makes your process of doing your makeup easier because like I said before, it is so tedious to put on eyelashes, and so I feel like this really just like changed the game. Let me know in the comments if you guys do pick it up, or Instagram stories. Let me know how you guys are liking them. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll talk to you guys next time.